Hi, good morning. My name is Grisel. I'm from Sunshine State Academy. Welcome to my class. We're going to know about our alphabet letters. We are going to start with the first one. Which one do you want? What is the first one? A. Great. There are three very important things that we have to know about our letters. The first thing, how they look, our letters. Second one, the name of our letter. And third, the sound of our letter. That is very different than the name. Okay, in this case, we're going to start with our letter A. Look how they look. That one is capital letter and that one is lowercase letters. One is big and one is small, but it's the same, A and A. So they look like that. So when you see this letter on the board, you are going to know this one is the letter A and this one is the letter A. What is the sound of the letter? This different sound. The sound is A. Their name is A. A and A is like a big sister and baby sister. And the sound is A. So let's learn how to write our letter A. It's very important how you are holding the pencil, okay? So let's start with our letter A, capital letter. We are going to start in the bottom. Right here, we are going to draw a line, leading line downwards. Again, we are coming right here, another line downwards. And in the middle, we are going to make like a little stick to put it together, these two lines. The sleeping line, we used to call them a sleeping line. Right here in the middle. And we have our uppercase letter, our capital letter. Let's start with the uppercase letter. It's very easy because we know how to make a circle, right? So here we are just going to make a circle and a little stick right here. Super easy. So we said the sound of our letter A is A. A for what? Let's try to figure out what words begin with the letter A. Okay, so when we said airplane begin with the letter A. That's why we said airplane. We don't said airplane, right? Airplane. Good job, very good. Now let's continue with our second letter. Which one is our second letter? The letter B. Remember what I said? There are three important things that we have to know. How they look. Look right here, how they look, our letter B. What is the name of this letter? Because remember, the letter have a name, like all of us, right? You are kids, but each one of you have a name. It's the same thing with the letter. There are letters, but each one of them have a name. So that one is our letter B. B. Remember, capital letter and lowercase letter. It's like a big sister and the baby sister. Both of them is the letter B. How is the sound of the letter B? Is B. So now let's learn how to make our letter B. Let's start with our capital letter B. Let's draw a line from the top, straight line down. Everybody know how to make a straight line, right? So now we come to the top again and we are going to make like a semicircle. Do you know what is a semicircle? It's the half of the circle. We are going to start right here, like make a circle, and we are going to finish on the middle of the line. Now we are going to make another semicircle right here, and we go down to the and finish on the bottom of the straight line. Let's start with our lowercase letter. Very easy. Again, to start on the top, we make a straight line right here, and then in the middle of the line, we are going to make our semicircle. Easy? Yes, very easy. Remember, it's very important how we are going to hold our pencil, our crayon, our marker. In this case, it's my marker. So I said the sound of the letter B is ba. Let's think. Everybody massage to use our brain. Let's start to remember words that begin with our letter B. Let's see. A boat. Boat begin with the letter B. Another one, simple. Banana. Start with our letter B. Okay, thank you to be with me. I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.